Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Hello Word. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm so excited to have you here today. We've got a fascinating word to dive into, and it's one that connects us to the beauty and creativity of our surroundings. The word of the day is architectural. It's a C1 level adjective, and it means about building design. Whether you're gazing at a stunning skyscraper or admiring a cozy, well-designed home, architectural is the perfect word to describe anything related to the art and science of creating buildings. Now, let's talk about how to use architectural in everyday language. This word is often used to describe features, styles, or elements of buildings. For example, you might say, the city's architectural landscape combines both modern and historical designs. Or, she has an eye for architectural details, especially in older structures. It's a versatile word that can add depth to your descriptions when talking about anything related to construction or design. If you're looking for synonyms, here are a few: structural, design-related, and constructional. Let's use these in sentences. The new bridge is both an engineering and a structural marvel. The museum is known for its design-related innovations. The constructional integrity of the building ensures its safety. These words are similar in meaning but often fit slightly different contexts. Now for antonyms, while there aren't direct opposites of architectural, you might use words like natural or organic when referring to things untouched by human design. For instance, the untouched forest stood in stark contrast to the architectural skyline of the nearby city. Or, her art celebrates the beauty of organic forms over structured, architectural designs. In everyday life, you can use architectural to describe various features, from grand public buildings to small design elements in your home. Imagine walking through a neighborhood and saying, "I love the architectural diversity of these houses." Or commenting, "The architectural charm of this cafe makes it so inviting." You might even hear this word in discussions about furniture or interior spaces, like, "The chair has a unique architectural style that complements the room." Let's look at a few more examples in sentences. The architectural significance of this church draws tourists from all over the world. Her job as an architectural historian involves studying ancient building techniques. The office's architectural design fosters collaboration and creativity. That's all for today's episode. Let's quickly recap. We explored the word architectural, meaning about building design, along with its synonyms like structural, design-related, and constructional, as well as antonyms like natural and organic. I hope you found today's discussion inspiring and informative. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave us a review. Your support helps others discover the show and keeps us going strong. And here's a fun challenge for you. Create your own sentence using the word architectural and share it in the comments. I'd love to see your creativity. Thanks for tuning in to Hello Word. Until next time, keep exploring, learning, and sharing the joy of language. Bye for now.